Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're having a Slack file download problem, maybe files won't save, downloads fail, or error messages appear. Don't worry, this usually happens because of network issues, app glitches, or permission restrictions. Let's fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Slack downloads need a stable connection. Open a browser and test another website. If your internet is slow or unstable, restart your router first. Step 2. Restart Slack. Temporary glitches can block downloads. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape, end Slack in Task Manager, and reopen the app. Step 3. Try Slack web version. Log into Slack in your browser and attempt the download there. If it works, the desktop app may have a local issue. Step 4. Check workspace permissions. Some workspaces restrict downloading files based on your role. Contact your admin if you don't have permission to download files. Step 5. Clear Slack cache. Corrupted cache can prevent downloads. Press Windows plus R, type %appdata%/Slack, delete all files inside, then restart Slack. Step 6. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. Network security tools can block Slack file transfers. Turn them off briefly and try downloading again. Step 7. Check default download location. Ensure your PC has enough space and that Slack's default download folder exists. Go to Preferences, Arrow Advanced Arrow File, and Media Storage to verify the path. Step 8. Reinstall Slack if needed. If downloads still fail, uninstall Slack, restart your PC, and install the latest version from the official Slack website. Most Slack download issues are caused by network restrictions, cache corruption, or workspace permissions. And these steps fix almost all of them. Follow these steps and your Slack files should download normally again. See you in the next guide.